The boys are outside playing, and I'm making them a portable dinner with a breakfast spin. Breakfast quesadillas. They're one of the boys' favorite things to eat. They're one of my favorite things to eat, too. Now, I'm just swirling some butter around a really hot skillet, and I'll start by cooking some vegetables for the quesadillas. Got some onion, and then some diced red bell pepper, and then just to give them a little spice, some chopped jalapeno. Now I'll just stir these around. I've got the heat on pretty high because I want the veggies to get nice color on the outside. Okay, I'll let the veggies keep cooking, and now I'll move over to the egg mixture for the quesadillas. I've got a bunch of eggs, and I'll splash in some half and half, and just a little salt and pepper. That's my basic scrambled egg mixture, and it works perfect every time. I'll just whisk them around. Breakfast quesadillas are always perfect on the ranch, no matter what time of day it is. Okay, the veggies should be nice and soft. Check them. Oh, nice golden color, they look great. So I'll just pour the egg mixture right in. I love scrambled eggs with peppers and onions. It's one of my favorite combinations. Now I'll just stir these eggs around the pan. The eggs are all done. They look absolutely delicious. So now I've just got to start building the quesadillas. I've got a griddle going over medium-low heat, and I've got to smear a bunch of butter on it. I love using lots of butter when I make quesadillas. It just makes the tortillas nice and crisp. Now, I'm using whole wheat tortillas. You can use regular flour tortillas, or even corn tortillas are delicious. That's actually my favorite. The boys love these whole wheat ones. Now, quesadillas, of course, have to have lots of cheese. I've got some cheddar jack cheese, and I grated it myself. I think cheese always melts better when you grate it from the big block rather than use the stuff in the bag. Now, the eggs go on, so I'll just grab a big spatula full and just sprinkle them really thick over the cheese. I'm actually making the boys each a half a quesadilla, and I get a whole one. I'm an adult, it's my prerogative. Now I've also got some cooked bacon. I just fried it until it was crisp, and I'm not even gonna chop it up. I'm just laying pieces right over the egg mixture. You know, to make it easy, you could also just cook some breakfast sausage. I love bacon though. I couldn't pass up the opportunity. Now on my quesadilla, I'm adding some avocado. My boys don't love avocado. They don't like it either. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on mine and leave it off of theirs. Got a little extra cheese, so I'll just, for good measure, go over the top with the rest of it. That should be good. And then a second tortilla for each one. Now I just need to let the griddle do its job, wait till the other side is nice and golden, and then I'll flip them over. This is the moment of truth. Ready, set? Yay, one down. 1, 2, 3. Ah, yes. The griddle's a complete mess, but that just means the quesadillas are gonna be extra delicious. Now I'll just let them brown on the second side.
If you catch it, then you're not it. Oh.
The quesadillas are done. They look tremendously delicious. Now, I love to cut quesadillas with a pizza cutter. It just makes it so easy. Just go down the middle and then across the other way. Now, I'll just wrap up half for each of the boys. They both get 2 big wedges, and that should be plenty, even for them. There's one and the second one. I love these things because they're so versatile. You can use whatever meat you want, whatever veggies. As long as you've got some eggs in there, it's a breakfast quesadilla. Now I'm gonna keep mine warm and eat it later. For now, I'm gonna run these out to the boys. Hey boys, you guys ready for some food?
Yeah.
I made you breakfast quesadillas for dinner. How's that?
Ooh, that looks good.